Whoa, that was fast. Let's do the second one. Man, that was fast. It went through all three.
This DCD771 cordless drill combo kit features a 2-speed transmission, 0450, 1500 RPM, for versatile operation. The high-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out, UWO, of power, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. The compact and lightweight design allows the drill and impact driver to fit into tight spaces with ease. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides strong bit-gripping power for better performance. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort and control during use. The DCF885 impact driver is also compact, 5.55 inches front to back, and lightweight, 2.8 lbs, making it perfect for working in confined spaces. Its one-handed loading, 1/4-inch hex chuck accepts 1-inch bit tips for easy bit changes. Additionally, the DCF885 features a 3 LED light ring with a 20-second delay, providing excellent visibility without shadows. Customers find this power tool set to be of top quality, reliable, and excellent value. The tools perform well, with one customer noting the impact driver's exceptional performance, and they appreciate its lightweight design. The battery life receives mixed feedback. While some say the included batteries last a long time, others report they don't last 5 minutes. Durability opinions are also mixed, with some finding it strong for any job, while others report it breaking within 2 months.